Hi, I am going to show you, this is really for Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, or those of you who think you might like to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm going to show you some quick little cards that I've thrown together today, and actually the girls that are on my demonstrator team that will be coming to my house in a few days, this is one of the projects we're going to be making. I'm going to use the gold foiled edged cards and envelopes because I wanted something quick. And there are 40 of these in a pack, and I like knowing that when I've used them, I have 40 envelopes and 40 cards. That way I don't have to worry about whether or not I've ordered envelopes, because my idea with these is to get 40 of them done. So when the new year starts and celebrations in full swing and things are going, that I have assortment of different kinds of cards ready. So I'm going to show you those that I have. And then I'm going to use... And I will tell you that these are carrying over from the holiday catalog, so you'll be able to use those. And then I'm going to use the Happiness Blooms Memories and More card pack, but I'm not going to use, I didn't even open the large ones. I'm just going to use these small little ones because they fit nicely on top of this. And then what I did was I took... some cardstock, and I just took 3 colors and I cut it the panel size that mounts on top of these. So I just went ahead and I cut a bunch of it in Pineapple Punch, Call Me Clover, and Night of Navy, because those are the colors that go with the Memories and More little pack. And then I'm going to use a new set that I know that there's been a lot of questions about, because some of us got it in Orlando and it's not available to be ordered yet. But it's so much fun. And it's called Stamping Your Way to the Top. And I've used almost all of them. I didn't use 2 of them. I didn't use the little word that says happy. And I didn't use Handmade by Your Biggest Cheerleader. Those 2 I have not mounted and I haven't used. But I used all of the rest of them. And actually the cards, as I pulled them out, I really just used them because I was wanted something new, and I also wanted something fast. But as I started to use them, there's some words on these, because my idea is to have them for people that are on your team, people who may join your team, orders that you have going out, if you have some prize patrols that are going out. Of course, now I'm not going to be able to find any of the ones. Oh, here's one. A Job Well Done. So I actually did use that one. So I want to, good luck, you've got this. So there are some words that will end up working well with the words. So let me just tell you, if you haven't got this stamp set, there's some little banners, and we may have a Big Shot thing or a punch that will punch them out. I don't know. It was easier for me to just fussy cut them. So that's what I did, because they're quick and easy to fussy cut. But there's one that says, Your Way to the Top, Live It, Love It, or Love It, Live It, Share It. Making Dreams Come True, which this one I'm going to use on some of my Disney pictures as well. We went to Disney before on stage, and then I came home for a week, and then I went back to Disney for on stage. So I've got lots of Disney pictures for this year. It's the Best Job Ever, Way Better Than a Text. Then it says Welcome to the Team, and What a Dazzling Demonstrator, and then Stamping Mail. So what I did was, first I took a bunch of the envelopes, and then I just stamped the little fun envelope on the front, which I'm going to pull this out, a few of these out, and have them at my camps, and let the ladies that come just stamp them on the back of their cards if they want. Because some of these, like Way Better Than a Text or Happy Mail, that's when I will pull the happy out to use for the mail. But it just didn't work with anything I was using today. And then I have this. I used it on the back of all of the cards, and I just laid the cards open, some of them both directions, and just stamped a bunch of those. So I had some going both directions. And then what I did was I just pulled the different cards, and you can see I have a bunch of this, all of my stamps inked. So this one would be if somebody wins a prize, and it says Stamping Mail, Making Dreams Come True. So then you would have a card, and they'd all be ready, and I'm going to have little dividers, so I have some things to send them. The only other things that I pulled in are the new folder that goes with this suite. Let me see what it's called. It does go with it's the dot to dot. And after I cut these, then I just ran them all through this texture folder. And then I used, to pull in the gold, this is just from the annual catalog, the gold cord that matches the black cord. And a lot of people, I know when I use it, they're like, where'd you get the gold cord? And it's in the catalog, and it's the same as our black cord, but people don't notice it because it's just stuck in there. So if you just like mass assemble these, they go together really fast. And so then I would just kind of pick up a card and see what would kind of fit. The only ink I used was Night of Navy. So I made it really simple. I didn't want to have to be cleaning ink colors. I just wanted these to go together fast and to be cute. But the cards are cute. The little embossing folder's cute. And then I just had a bunch of the little banners stamped and cut out. And so then I would just kind of work the words together. So this one says Stamping Mail, Making Dreams Come True. I can put, if somebody wins something, or even if you do gifts with your orders, this would be a fun thank you card that you can include with that, especially in January when this stuff is new, the memories and more. This one says Stamping Mail, Way Better Than a Text, which again would work for a thank you for your order, or a thank you to your hostess. This one says A Job Well Done, and this is one of the ones where the card actually had the words, and it says Stamping Your Way to the Top. And then on the inside, it says, What a Dazzling Demonstrator. So if you do awards for your team, or if you have somebody that has a really good month, somebody that promotes, this would be perfect for it. And then the last one that I have ready says, Welcome to the team. It's the best job ever. So you can see they're just really quick to throw together. They all kind of matchy-matchy, but they're not all matchy. And so when my girls come to stamp for the new catalog, I'm going to let them just kind of do whatever they want, what they think they might use first. And they can pull together two or three of these, and they can make some, and they'll have some ready to get their month started. So that is, I can't remember, it's early in January that this will be available for all demonstrators to order. I know they told us in Orlando, but they told us 5 million things, and I have forgot 4 million of them. You know, there's only so much room in my head for all of the stuff that we learned. In fact, one of the reasons you may be asking,